Cochran family, founders of Lando Frost, supporting over 12,000 youth sports teams across the country. And by Capri Sun, makers of Capri Sun Organic. The Hamill Family Foundation, the Siegel Family Foundation, Irving Harris Foundation, the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, Koch brothers Foundation, Elizabeth Morris Genius Charitable Trust, Alvin H. Baum Family Fund, and by the following: the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
That's me, Fred the House Cat. When my family leaves for the day, I don't just sit inside watching the world go by. I become Nature Cat, backyard explorer extraordinaire. Tally ho, tally ho. Climbing up the trees now. We're swinging through the breeze now. We're getting muddy knees now. So what are we waiting for? We're so excited to explore all that nature has in store. Tally ho, tally ho. Favorite picture guide. We just can't wait to get outside. Through the trees now. We're jumping in the leaves now. We're getting muddy knees now. Tally ho, tally ho. Playground Palooza. We miss you, Sadie. Hi, it's me, Hal.
We hope you enjoyed this video postcard we made you.
Boy, I miss those guys. I wonder what they're up to right now.
Sadie, hey!
Hi, Daisy. I wanted to say thanks for making me that awesome video of my last visit. Hey, where's everybody else?
Hello.
Hi, Sadie!
Whoa, you guys are climbing a tree?
Yep, we were suddenly in a tree climbing mood, so
We climb! Oh yeah? Oh yeah? We climb. You guys are so lucky. You could just go out in nature and play with whatever pops into your head. Like, climbing a tree would be so fun now.
But don't you have a place to play outside?
Oh yeah, my friends and I love to play here on this playground whenever we can.
Whoa, look at all those dogs! Hello, fellow doggies, it's me, Hal!
Yeah, but it isn't the same as playing in the woods. I mean, so much to do there. So many surprises.
Oh, Sadie!
Oh, gotta get back inside. I'll call you later when I'm back at the playground.
Farewell!
Bye.
Bye, Sadie! Bye, doggies that are behind you!
Sadie sure misses playing in the woods.
She sure does, Daisy. I wish she could have some woods to play in like us. What he said.
What can we do? Sadie's playground doesn't look like it's near the woods.
Yeah, it's too bad we can't just bring all this to her.
That's it! Hal, you are a genius!
Yep, I'm a genius. Been there, done that.
Hear ye, hear ye! If Sadie's playground doesn't have woods to play in, then we shall bring the woods to her playground!
Bring with her.
Idea, it's a genius idea. Who thought of that one?
Count them